Yes, sneekylinux back tonight. Tonight we've got another Ubuntu-based distro. Well, it's actually xubuntu-based more than anything else. This is called Voyager 1204. It's been out for a little while now. Somebody asked me to have a look at this and I did. It's okay, yeah, it's alright. And I'm going to go through it with you and see what all goes down and stuff like that. Now it's xfce to the max with all conky and stuff going down, so it's alright. I like a bit of xfce. And it's supposed to be coming out fully loaded. Okay, the ISO is just a shade under a gig to download, okay, so it's DVD style, you know what I'm saying? With the updates, as you can see up here on my hard disk, I've given it a 10 gig partition basically here. It's taken up nearly half of that, so it's quite a lot there by the time you get all the updates. Bearing in mind, this one is from the original 1204, not a recently updated one, so I don't know what they're going to do about that. But anyway, it's from France, by the way, our little French buddies from along the old channel. Yeah, bonjour, bonjour, ça va? Oui, ça va bien, merci. Très bien. That's a bit of French for you. That's enough of that, thank you very much. Anyway, xfce, getting me up in the corner, because it's installed, by the way. Installation was a breeze, by the way. Drivers worked okay for me. It was alright, yeah, it was alright from the West Country. Yeah. There's time and date here. My Ethernet connection, as you can see. My volume. You also get up here, radio tray. Anybody use that radio tray? I use it all the time. I've got it on all my systems, except for the one that I use Ubuntu on with Unity. You can't get it to work properly. Bit of a bummer. Okay, so if you want radio tray to work, basically just say turn on turn on Virgin Radio. Sorry, I forgot about that one. So you turn it on, and there we go. We've got music in my headphones in the background. Oh, lovely. Turn it off. He's not actually updated some of the stations here. It's how I can tell, because 977 has lots of stations, but they changed about 4 weeks ago to a different URL, so you have to go and do that yourself, basically. But yeah, it's there for you to use. Also, we've got here is Synapse, search for everything you do. So if I type in, I little play with Kazam a bit earlier, Kazam will come up, yeah, all that, yeah, works, yeah. Could be useful if you're doing lots of photos, lots of audio work and stuff like that. Really like it, it's nice. Bit of conk going down here. As you can see, we're not Wi-Fi. My CPU as its frequency, and we're not using any of it. Okay, RAM is 211. I would prefer a little bit less, but hey, as it's a bit more loaded, I'm not too worried about it. But bearing in mind, you're going to need a bigger partition if you want to run this on a multi-boot system. One of the guys I know has got 8 Linux distros booting off the one hard drive. Yeah, I know. I wouldn't mind. It's only 120 gig. Silly sod. But apart from that, yes, it's there. Okay, we've got the usual Ubuntu menu. Now, he's not actually changed the fonts here. Right, Twifu makes this. I forgot your name now, by the way. Change the font over to, yeah, you know what I mean. Change the font. It's the old-fashioned font. Change it to the new one, please. Thank you very much. So you get web browser. Shall we open it? Go on then, we'll open it and have a look. And I'll get a drinkage while it's doing that. Oh, blimey, FX Chrome is not compatible. Okay. Should we check just in case? Yeah, we'll check that. Go on. And get that to do that. There's some of the stuff I've not actually checked out, that really, to be honest with you. But hey. Very pairy. So finish that. Hurry up and go away. He's gone. Does he come back now? 5. Here we go. He's come back. That's actually nice. That's one of the default wallpapers, that one, isn't it? As far as I remember. So we go to Voyager. Should we go Voyager? Yeah, let's go and have a butcher's over at Voyager. Will it be in English this time, or will it be in French? Oh, I've got an install flash button. That's quite good, isn't it? Yeah. So we're waiting. We're waiting. We're waiting. And nothing's happening. I'm a bit pooed off about that. I'll change that over there as well, by the way. Get rid of that. We'll go straight to Google. And what I'm going to do, while that's not connecting, I might as well do this. Voyager OS and see what comes up. Now that was better. Now this is what you get when you first start searching for it. So I've put Linux at the end. I think it's what I had to do before. Here we are. Bonjour. Hello. Here we go. HK. What's it doing? HK. Blimey. No. That's the wrong one. That's Voyage. No. Didn't want that one. Come back. Come on. Hurry up. Voyager. This is the baby, I think. There you go. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Oh, hurry up, internet tonight. I've got super fast connection. What's wrong with you? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. I've got bored now already. Anyway, we'll go back to that section here. what's under Linux. He's put some stuff in here, but it's all in not English. Didn't get changed over on installation, but hey, can't have everything, can you really, when you think about it? No, you can't. Under web, what we've got under a web? Okay, nothing, because it's locked up for us. Yeah, it's really locked up. Nasty. Should we get rid of that? Say goodbye. Say goodbye. No, say goodbye. See, gone. Something needs looking at there. I'm going to go back to the Fox again. Before I come to show you the bar, by the way. Before I come to show you the bar. Okay, should we try that one more time? Okay. So, it's Linux. And maybe it'll work for us better this time. We'll soon find out, won't we? Okay, here we go. It's not doing it for me. We'll try there, shall we? We'll try there one more time, see if we connect. Just to see. Oh, we've got some movement now. Got some movement. I'm not going to waste my time waiting for that to do it. I'm going to go to another window and show you some other stuff while we're waiting, okay? It may connect. It may not. It may run out of space, so to say. Right, down the bottom, I've got Firefox. We have Terminal, Leafpad for text editing. Remember, it is xfce. Thunar for your browser, for your file browser, by the way. Your software center is standard Ubuntu, and your desktop control, or your settings manager. So we're going to look at that. It's usual xfce. It's no different here. Okay. Also get hide windows and show desktop. File browser. You will look file browser launcher and one item in the rubbish bin. Okay. Right, should we go back and see what's done over there? Yeah. I've only got two windows. Right, we got there. Voyager, as you can see, French, so you're going to have to go and translate it if you want to read it in English. But if you've got a bit of a grip of French, it should be easy for you to read, especially telling him all what's in there and what he's done. So there's a lot of the words will be in French, but most will you be able to understand easily. Right, it's based on 12.04 long-term support, so it should be okay. Whether they'll keep to that is another thing. Okay, but you can get it down from here as well. The download only took me 4 minutes. Bearing in mind it's a gig, it was really nice. So I used my full download speedage. I'm not going to install Flash. No, I'm not going to do it. Not just yet, because I'm not finished playing with it. Okay. What else can I show you? Not too much, really. Yeah, I'll show you a bit more. You get all the usual setting stuff. Caffeine comes as standard, by the way. You get Ubuntu 1 because it's Ubuntu at the end of the day. Under accessories, you get Event because it's using Event. Caffeine, again, I said, XF Burn. PY renamer, mass rename of files. I haven't used that for bloody ages. Do you know that? Take a screenshot. The terminal, or two terminals. The archive manager, Leafpad is there. Under games, just the basic games. Under graphics, not too much. Get Gimpage, Dark Table, and comics. If you like comic books, online comic books, this is good for you. That's okay. And Simple Scan. Under Internet, Firefox is your browser of choice, as you have seen. And you get Hot, which is a Twitter client. Okay. You get Pigeon, Thunderbird Mail, Transmission, Extra IRC. Under multimedia, there's a bit more here, okay? You get a movie player, VLC, Minitube, Clementine, sound converter, an audio recorder, and Kazam. Okay, we'll do a bit of Kazam while we're here, might as well, shouldn't we? Okay, like a couple of minutes. Yeah, we'll record it in, because I'm just going to show you. I'm not going to do any audio, I'm just going to record it. And it'll start in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. So we're doing a recording of a recording again. It's fun, isn't it? Drink it. As you can see, the CPU's gone up quite a bit, so we'll open that up, the Fox, just to show you when the video's all done. You can see what you're doing. There we go. It will be a bit slower now, of course, for the simple reason. I'll go to Linux. What can we go to? We'll go to Planet Libra. I think that one's in English, so we should be hunky dory. Let's have a look. It's terribly slow for some reason, bearing in mind it shouldn't be. Terribly slow. Should I bother carrying on? Oh, and we're there. And of course, it's in French. Okay, so you may need to step up and do a bit of French, okay? Or just convert it. But hey, learn another language. It'll be good for you. Just like me. Learn English. Be good, wouldn't it? Okay, so that's all there anyway. So it actually works. That's going to show you on the video. So what we're going to do now, we're going to finish our recording in Kazam, so you know what's all going down. And we're going to save for later, so we continue, and we're going to put it on our desktop. Save, and off we go. And it's saved for us. No big deal. Should we play it? Of course we're going to play it. Let's go back and do it. There we go. Oh, 56 seconds we made that. I'll just let it play through a little bit and so you can see what was going down. As you can see, everything's changed on the screen. I don't actually like Kazam because it's just not enough for me personally. No, it isn't. Terminal is the one for me really. Or Record My Desktop is a bit better than Kazam at the moment, to be really honest with you, for the simple reason it's very stuttery. The quality when you go to like full screen is not very good. I'm sure he's getting on with it. I did read quite a bit about it quite a while ago, that he's going to improve it, but hey, whatever goes down, I don't know. Oh, there we go, look. It does what it says on the tin, it records. But slow styly, not for me really. Okay. Come out of that. Okay, and we'll... Oh, can you see it? Look. Create an archive, convert video. That's quite interesting, like it. We'll delete it instead. Goodbye, you're gone. Okay, where was we? Yes, we get cheese as well, PitTV. PitTV's okay. You know, if you don't like OpenShot, you may want to try PitTV. Be alright, won't it? Radio Trav calls and WinFF, so you actually record it if you wanted to. Under Office is only Abbey Word and G-numeric. Bearing in mind it's nearly 1 gig. I don't know what to think of some of these distros sometimes. Or under system, you get quite a lot here. An OS uninstaller, a grub customizer. Interesting. Jupyter is here as well. A crypt keeper. I can task manager up, but I don't really need to, do I? Because you can see what's going down up here. But as you can see, 12% of the CPU, 25% of memory, which is around about 250. Yeah, that's about right. About the same up there, isn't it? Yeah, does what it says on the tin. Well, as a remix from xubuntu, it's rather nice, okay? But when you say you're going to load stuff onto a distro, do you keep it minimal or maximal? I think this is where we're going to go in the future. We're going to have a biggies and smallies. We're going to have a minimal installation distro and a maximum of everything loaded onto it. Sometimes it may be worth getting a big nice 3-4 gig download of everything loaded onto it all ready for you to download. It's just a bandwidth, isn't it? A bandwidth at the end of the day. For me, it's okay. For other people that are restricted by their speed and how much they can download per month, a bit dodgy. On the whole, it's really nice to use though. Yeah, I don't mind it. It's from France, yeah. Not bad chefs, are they? Yeah, they could cook a bit better though, wouldn't they, really? They don't know how to cook fish and chips or nothing, do they? No. Anyway, that's enough from me. Am I going to give it any money? Yeah, I'll give it some money. I'll give it 85%. Sneaky Linux out. I see you later. Bye-bye.